What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Google Drive account on your Android phone. So you want to go ahead and open up the Google Drive app or the Drive app on your phone, and here you should see by default that you have an account signed in. This normally happens when you're setting up your phone and you sign in with a Gmail account and you have access to the Play Store. It will automatically tie everything together and you will have that account on your Google Drive as well. But if you want to add a new account, simply go ahead and click your profile in the upper right hand side. That could be your picture or your letter from your first name. That's how it normally works. Click on that, and here you'll find the option that says add another account. Tap on that, and here you'll get the pop-up that basically allow you to, let's say, use your PIN or your password or something to sign in, and then it's going to do a quick check. Then you'll have the opportunity to sign in with your email address and your password and so forth. But once you go ahead and do that, guys, you should be able to sign in and you should have those profile showing up here that you can easily go ahead and switch between those profile whenever you need to. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.